Imagine logging into your system, only to find your data locked, your network compromised, and cybercriminals demanding ransom. This isn't just a possibility, it's happening every day. The question is, are you protected? Cybercriminals aren't slowing down, they're evolving. From AI-powered phishing attacks to advanced ransomware, modern threats require modern defenses. Businesses of all sizes are at risk. Ignoring cybersecurity isn't an option. A breach doesn't just cost money, it costs trust, reputation, and operational downtime. The average cost of a data breach? $4.3 million. Firewalls and antivirus software were enough 10 years ago. Today's threats require advanced security solutions that detect, prevent, and respond in real time. Here's how to stay ahead of cybercriminals. 1. Next-gen firewalls, deep packet inspection, and AI-powered threat prevention. 2. Zero trust security. Verify every user, every device, every time. 3. Endpoint detection and response, EDR. Detect, analyze, and stop threats before they spread. 4. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Strong access control to block unauthorized logins. 5. Continuous threat monitoring, real-time alerts, and proactive response to cyber threats. With advanced security solutions in place, your business doesn't just survive cyber threats, it thrives. Cybercriminals don't wait, and neither should you. Take action today. Secure your business with the right solutions before it's too late.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.